triple threes right now. Triple threes. 3:33 a.m. Get this drive going. See how it's acting. See what the streets are like. Probably gonna be dead, but let's see what it's like. Catch y'all on the freeway. This little tunnel, let's get it. Beautiful. Alright, by this freeway. Something keeps sliding in the back of my car. I don't know what it is. I think it's my tire, the air filler one, but we'll see. What the hell it is, keeps sliding up. Alright, here comes the freeway. Bro, I'm screwed. It's dangerous, bro. Dangerous at this time. It's 3 a.m., bro. We don't know if there's cops behind us. We don't know what it is. We're cool. We're cool. Gotta chill. Gotta chill, man. Still got a long drive home. We'll see these cops or not. We'll see. Pull the window up. I don't know if the audio got destroyed on that, but we'll see. Start moving. All we got in this car right now is just a muffler for the exhaust. Gotta order the headers and fucking long tube headers and Cat X pipes soon, bro. But as of right now, you know, it's 8-speed. And it's got a muffler leak. Chat, are we cooked or not? Is this a cop behind us or not? I think they already flashed me because I was going 100, but it's alright. Chilling. Alright. They want to run it or what, man? They're on my ass. And this is California, man, and they don't play about this. No, I think we're chilling. Get it. One thing I love about 3 a.m. drives, man, the roads are dead. I would be chilling the fast lane right now, but I'm kind of scared of this. You see ambers in their headlights. I don't know if it's a cop or just a regular Explorer. That truck moving. let's try. Well, I'm in touring mode, bro. Why am I in touring mode? Oh man, it's a YouTube video. Put that shit in sport. Yo, this guy's not getting out of my lane, bro. I'm scared. I'm trying to do. I don't know, man. He switches into my lane. We know we're cooked. God damn, this thing can fucking scream too. Too windy. Good backfires with just muffler delay too as well. So I can hear. Seeing who this is. Been downshift on them this whole time. What the? Toyota Prius? Where's the C7 Corvette? Hold up. Oh, I thought you were a cop the whole time. Okay. Oh yeah. Just chill. Oh shit, we're two laning, guys. Do not drive like me, bro. Chill. Gapped it, man. I think we got the Prius, dude. Shit. Alright. What's next? What is this? Ford Focus? I want it. At 30,000 miles right now too as well. Just hit it earlier today. They sound so good, bro. Off the rev. I might be yapping right now too, because it's almost 4 a.m. But just got work. Oh my gosh. Let me get loose. POV drive, man. Late for home. Getting off work late for home. Come on now. Also, I got 15% tint on the side, man, and it feels dark. I used to run 5 on my cars, but until I got in an accident, so oh shit, who's this? Roads fucking suck in California too as well. Yeah, get off this exit. Shit, get loose. Is this the same car? Prius? What the fuck? Yeah, no. There's a demon driving that shit, man. What the hell? That shit swapped. Alright, let's see if the wind's not that bad. Oh shit, it's a fucking hurricane. Alright, we're good like that. It's way too windy, bro. Holy shit. Hold on. I need to get a better phone mount, bro, because this ain't working. Get a GoPro set up or something for videos, but I mean, I guess I'll just label this video as a POV drive, but do want to get a GoPro for like car meets, roll nights, all race nights and stuff like that. Like installation of parts, but you'll see. I gotta do my research. And if y'all wonder what this blue light down there is for, but fucking blue, but it's the active fuel management disabler. Got that shit in blue. We're gonna get one more downshift. Probably end the video there because I'm tired, man. I want to drive home. I want to cruise home. Did I get half a tank almost, man? Let's get some speed and we'll do some downshifts. It's like 80. Hell yeah, brothers. This thing sounds amazing. Well, I'll probably end it there just because I almost hit home and your boy is tired as a motherfucker. So, I mean, drop whatever you want to see. I mean, I'll do more videos probably in the daylight as well because I mean, y'all can't really see much. And it's 3 a.m. too, so it's kind of dead. Try to get a good, better setup because I'm using my hand right now. And this is tiring. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Later, y'all. Alright, back into the city, little town. It is very peaceful at 4 a.m. Gotta love it, dude. Gas stations all lit up. too bad. A little 30-minute drive home. But not too bad at all. Got a little rip right here. See if I can get it good. Oh, that thing's falling back there. But... Alright, I'm not too late, you guys chill. This burble sounds so good. Nice old burble right there. Still sliding, dude. And we're squealing. Well, if I need tires in a couple weeks, you know what? It's all AI content, guys. All AI. Alright, but we're home almost, so this will conclude the video. Let me know what y'all thinking, and what y'all want next.